You guys need to visit Ghana and see the work of God and see the beauty of Africa and see something you have never seen in your life. Guys, are you ready?
In 3, in 2, 1, let's go!
If you skip this video, you have a problem, my friend.
No. Let us not show them. You deserve to come here and see.
Oh! Oh no! 1, 2, 3.
3, 2, 1, let's go! Welcome to Ghana!
This is the highest waterfall in West Africa. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Ooh. God's hand, guys. God's hand. Wow. This is so beautiful, guys. I've never seen something like this. Like what? Like what? Is there someone fishing here? Are there fishes here? Ooh. Ooh.